In this video, I will show you 800,000 customers who are ready to spend money on your ideas with their credit cards. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency if you want. You're going to make money online and you're going to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day, even if you're a complete beginner and you have zero experience, no technical knowledge, no website, no hosting server, no email list required, no social following required. All you have to do is to spend 3 to 5 minutes of your time and answer questions that are already available on Google. So let me show you where the money is. This is my Warrior Plus account, one of my accounts. And you can see the amount of money, right? Let me take a screenshot so it will be easy to demonstrate. So you see these numbers, last 30 days numbers, last month's numbers. These are really big numbers and very inspiring. But these are not the most important numbers. The most important numbers are these visitors and these hops. These visitors are the hops are the real people who paid us money. Now, in order to make money online using this method, what we do is we make videos. But not like these videos, we don't record ourselves using camera, microphone. For our other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic writes the scripts of the videos for us using artificial intelligence. Epic then turns that script into natural sounding voiceover in one click. And then Epic allows us to make videos using images, texts, and links. And that's not all. Epic allows us to make bite-sized, tiny videos and then combine them into one long video in just one click. But the good news is we just need 1 minute long video using 3 to 5 minutes of our times. And I'm gonna show you how we do that in a moment. But those videos are the answers of these people who are asking questions online. And I'm going to give you a simple idea that will drive 800,000 customers per month. You ready for this? Awesome. Before we begin, this channel has a goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we can't do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, and everyone you know. Not only you are helping them reach more people and help them learn how to make money online, but also you're helping your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will become your friends, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first paying customers and clients. How cool is that? This is what we do and thousands of other people do online. They help others with information and education, and in return, make passive income online. Passive income, right? Yeah. So before we go to the passive income, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Go ahead. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. By the way, did you see somebody's typing my words as I'm speaking? This is an automatic speech-to-text software, and this software is free for you. Grab this software. You can offer transcription service on Fiverr and make $365,000 just like this lady. This lady works 10 minutes with this kind of software and earns $10 for that. Once you start making money on Fiverr, you can record your experience using Epic, link in the description, and upload your videos, your experience videos on Udemy as a bundle of videos. They call it online course. And just like this person, you can make $371,000 from Udemy completely passive. Love it? Go ahead, grab this software, transcription software, from the link in the description as well. So let's move on to the passive income. I was watching this video. This channel is awesome. I love this man. And this is a 20 minutes long video talking about 5 passive income ideas. After 6 minutes of watching, I found a promotion. And the promotion was good, really informative, awesome, and it actually answers some of my questions about online security, how I can secure my accounts, etc., etc. And he said, hey, there is a link in the description. So I clicked on the description. I found all those different links. So what are these things? These links are affiliate promotions, affiliate links. Okay, now after 15 minutes of watching, I didn't actually find any step-by-step method of making money because this video is not about any step-by-step. It's ideas for passive income. I am watching them to have some new ideas so I can use them in future. Hundreds of thousands of people are looking for these ideas every single day. So let me show you. I searched using a keyword research tool with the keyword idea, and I want to know what kind of idea people are looking for. So I can answer them and get some clicks out of them, and those clicks will turn into money. Sounds good? And what I found is there are 236,434 keywords about ideas that people are looking for. For an example, idea for dinner. That is what I'm talking about, because there are millions of types of dinner. An idea for dinner is a key phrase that 823,000 people are looking for every single month. So what you're gonna do is grab Epic from the link in the description and make 1-minute videos about dinner ideas. Publish them on YouTube, and YouTube will send you customers. Look at these. These are YouTube shorts about ideas. And can you see the numbers of views? Let me read them for you. The first one, 7.3 million views. The second one, 55 million views. Third one, 7.2 million views. Then 545,000 views, 1 million views, 48 million views, all about ideas. Now think about these visitors here. Think about how much money would be made if these clicks or visitors are in millions. Here is a trick. When you make videos using Epic, of course, link is in the description. Epic is free for you. In your video, mention that in case they want more or want to learn more, or they want to buy some accessories that you are using in your ideas, they can get them from the link in your description and in the first comment. People will love your content, your generosity, your information, your education, and eventually they will click some links, turn into money, and you will make money. This is super simple. That's how you make money. So there is nothing big to do actually. Answer people's questions with your content using Epic, using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. First of all, do a little research of what people are asking for online, what kind of ideas people are looking for, what kind of information, education people are looking for. Learn them on YouTube. Take ideas from YouTube. YouTube is free. Put those simple 1-minute ideas into Epic. Epic is free for you. Make 1-minute videos using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Publish your videos on YouTube, and YouTube will send you customers. Now, why would YouTube send you customers? That's another question. It's because especially YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube created Shorts to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts and creators heavily. When you make shorts, YouTube will love you, they will love your shorts, they will send you free customers, and you will make money. This is the simplest and the most passive income online. Now go ahead, grab Epic, give people ideas with your simple videos and make passive income online. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I'll show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added the customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section, and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making, persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. But we need your help to reach 100 million people in the next 10 years. And for that, we need your like and your share. Go ahead, do it. Share this video with your friends, families, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from you. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.